Hello, and welcome to this project. This is a student management system. Using this application, users can manage the students, classes, and teachers. Also, can manage student payments as well. So, this application has a lot of functions that help to manage students, classes, and teachers. To make the back end of this project, I have used Node.js and Express.js. To make the front end, I have used React.js. Also, I used Material UI and Ant Design components for making the front end. To make the database, I have used Mongo DB. When you go to the login page, the user admin can log into the main dashboard, using email and password. If he forgets his email or password, he can use Forgot Password option and can reset it. This is the main interface you can see. In this dashboard, we have 3 tables. One table shows today timetable. Another table shows new extra class requests. And the last table shows the subject timetable. But here there are no data, because we didn't add any data yet. First, we are going to add data for categories. Here, we can add main categories for subjects. Now this table not shows the subjects for each category, because we did not add any subjects yet. We can edit and delete the category as well. After that, we are going to add halls to this system. In here we can add new halls to the system and we can delete and update that as well. In here also subjects are not displayed, because we did not add any subject yet. Then we are going to add teachers. Here, you can add new teachers to the system. Also, we can view the details of the teacher. We can edit and delete that as well. After that, we are going to add new subjects to the system. For that, you have to fill in this subject form. Here, you have to mention, is that subject will require admission or not? If it requires, you have to give the amount as well. Also, you have to give the class fees, category name, teacher name, hall name, class date, and class time as well. Then after, you can view it and can update and delete also. Then we move to the student registration part. Here you have to give basic data about the student. After submitting this form, system will ask you, do you want to add subjects to this student now? You can add it now or later. Then you come to add the subject page. Here, it will only show the subjects that are related to the category you added to this student before. Also, if that selected subject has admission, you have to select the checkbox to confirm that you take the admission fees from the student as well. In this table have a temporary stop date. If some students have any problems, we can deactivate that students as well. After we deactivate that student, here it will show the date that deactivates the student. After again activate that student, it will not show the date. When it comes to the student payment table, we can manage the class payment of students. By default, it will show the current month's data only. But by clicking Get All checkbox, you can get all the data. Also, you can filter the data by year, by month, or status of the payment. So if any student pays their class fees, the user only has to select that student and change his payment status only. Here, teachers can add extra classes to the system. Until admin accepts it, that request is under the pending state. Finally, you can see the summary of this data on the dashboard as well. This application is fully authenticated and, when the user log in, it will generate a JSON Web Token key and, for every activity, it will check by the back end. Also, this application is fully responsive.